I'm going to be repairing a broken sprinkler pipe, 3/4 inch. At this point I'm going to show how to get the repair done with several items I got. I got a T, 3/4 inch T on one side with an outlet, 1/2 inch outlet. I'm going to plug that side in. On this side I have an adjustable union for the both pipes, so that as you install both ends, this particular part adjusts and you don't have to flex the PVC pipe. Pretty cool style. First you measure the space and you check all the fittings. Keeping in mind the adjustable amount. And at this point I'll show, first I install from the right side to the left, and the last part is going to be this end, so I'm going to push it towards the end because this part gives here. It's got an adjustable section. First I'm going to clean very well the sleeve on both sides with a primer. Keep the surface very, very clean so that when I put the actual cement, PVC cement, it adheres very well. There are no oils. This primer has to be on both sides, this end and the other end of the sleeve. Have to hold this. Let me see. This will be very clean. Now I'm going to put the glue, get them together. Now I'm going to get the actual glue. You have to put it on both sides, and as you place the sleeve in, you have to spin it a little bit and hold it there for a couple seconds for it to adhere very well and get rid of any air bubbles. That side is done. Now I'm gonna work on the opposite side of that adjustable section for the repair. I put the cleaner on both sides, now the rubber cement. Now I'm going to be applying the cleaner one more time and the rubber cement on this end, and at the end it's going to be the other side. Has to be square like that. Okay, so a little bit of the cleaner on both sides. I did that a little while ago, just doing a little more. Freshen that up. And the rubber cement on both sides. And then apply pressure and turn it. And hold. That should be enough. Okay.
On.
Okay, so now I'm gonna actually join the entire pipe with this T sleeve and this one plug this way, this direction, so I can actually get a sprinkler in the future over here. So again, clean both sides. Use the primer well, clean everything very, very well. Very important. All the impurities. One side at a time. Hang on for a couple of seconds. Tight. Now I'll be doing this side. That's where that adjustable section comes into play. And that should take care of it. Thanks for watching. Stump Knocker Garage. Subscribe. And now you have a finished connection from a repair I was doing.